3 minutes is all it takes to set up an OBS plugin that will help you easily clip the last few seconds of your Twitch stream. It will also save those last few seconds as a vertical clip for TikTok Shorts and Reels. And you want to start by closing OBS and going to Aitum, which is linked in the description, and downloading Aitum Vertical. Then simply run through the installer. Now you should hopefully have the vertical canvas now showing. Mine's on the right here. If it's not showing, click on Docs and check vertical scenes, vertical sources, and vertical and scene transitions if you want. And you want to start by setting up some vertical scenes to match your landscape scenes. So I need a starting, chatting, and gaming one. So I will just press the plus button here, name one starting, chatting, and gaming. And now they're set up, I need some sources. So under vertical sources, I can add the same landscape sources. So for example, video capture device. If I click on video capture device, now my camera is in two places. I'll resize it how I want, something like that. And this canvas is what is going to get clipped. So I'll be back in a second with all of my sources added. I've added everything now. Here's a quick tip. If you right click on one of your sources, click on transform and center horizontally. It didn't move much there because I already had it perfectly centered, but that is just going to make sure things are centered correctly. Next up, let's add a cool feature which links our landscape and vertical scenes together. So underneath gaming vertical, I'm going to click on linked scenes and link it with gaming. Same with chatting, linked scenes, link it to landscape chatting, and my starting vertical, I'll link it to starting. Watch me click on the left between them. You can see they're now clicking back and forth. Looks like on this one, I need to once again transform center horizontally, and there we go. Finally, we just need a way to clip this. So click onto your settings, and our important setting here is backtrack. So make sure backtrack runs while you're streaming or recording. I recommend anywhere from 15 to 60 seconds. And once you hit the backtrack hotkey, which mine is Alt R, that is just going to save the last 60 seconds of whatever happened on your stream. And of course, you also need to choose where it's going. Simple as that, really. Just hit start streaming to go live on Twitch. And when you hit a good clip on your stream, just hit the backtrack hotkey, or if you don't want to hit the hotkey, just press the backtrack button and it will save it. After subscribing, watch this video to learn about multi-streaming.